the gold flaked Coldcard Q, one of the best crypto hardware wallets for Bitcoin only maxis. Let's have a look at it. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today we're going to be unboxing the Coldcard Q. This is a Bitcoin only hardware wallet and it's supposed to be the best one out there because of all the security features it has, including physical tampering and stuff. I know there's many other hardware wallets out there where you got self-destruct and stuff, but this has a very special features which I'll go over when I do all my close-ups and stuff, as you all already know. If you're new here, please do subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So just before I begin, this is the package that it came in. They sent it through FedEx. It was pretty expensive actually. The Coldcard on their website is $220-ish, and I paid $30 for delivery as well to the UK. So this is actually created and shipped from Canada. The thing is, what's a bit crazy is the fact that this was shipped next day after I ordered and delivered within 2 days. That's unbelievable service. FedEx, well done. They're the one that they're the courier that delivered it, and like well done to Coldcard, the company. Now the thing is, I've got an affiliate link below. Please do use that if you're interested. It helps me out, helps support the channel. But let's begin with the unboxing, shall we? So this is the package that it got delivered in. Let's open this up, shall we? I may have to just cut the top, get the knife out quickly, and do a nice slit, if that even helps. It's very nicely bubble wrapped. I think there's a lot of packaging here, pretty much a lot of excess packaging. Do you know what? I'm gonna cut it all the way down. Let's just hold that. It's a bit easier than trying to use the sellotape, right? Cut quite a bit of bubble, what do you call it, bubbles or bubble wrap or whatever. Anyways, just so you're aware, okay, so that's just probably a package slip. I am going to just double check that. Yep, it's got my address and stuff, how much I paid, the grams, what it is. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, they shipped it saying that it's a Coldcard calculator. That's what they put the description as. I'm just going to put that there. Let me just fold it so you can't see the shipping address and stuff. But can you see there? Coldcard calculator. And it's showing the weight and stuff like this. So hopefully you can see that properly. But that's awesome that they put that like that, because at the end of the day, if somebody like customs and stuff did open it, they would see that it's like a calculator. Just so you know, I didn't get custom charge for this. I probably will do later. Anywho, this is a box that it arrives in. I got the gold flakes version. They've got quite a few. They've got like orange, black, glow in the dark and stuff. I decided to get the gold flakes. I thought that looked a bit decent. Anyways, this is a hexadecimal, it looks like, but I don't know what that is. It's just, I guess it's just a design. Hopefully you can see that. That's the outer box. Get started with coldcard.com docs. It's like just a little box there. It's not too fancy, and people probably won't know what it actually is if they did try and see it. Anyways, let's cut that there, and let's do the first look, shall we? Wow, okay, interesting. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be much heavier for some reason. Not only heavier, bigger. It's much bigger than my other hardware wallets, but yeah. So they give the Coldcard itself in a tamper sealed package. As I said, these guys are really security focused. Awesome, I love it. This is why I ordered from them. They gave a little wallet backup card thing for anti-phishing. I'll go through this in my setup video. Do subscribe to watch that. Let's just check here. Important warnings. Never show this card to anyone who can copy. I'm not actually going to use this because I like keeping these little things. I'm probably going to use another document or something like this. That's cute. This is a sticker. It's very actually nice material. It's not like a normal sticker material. It's like very thick and like very soft to touch. It doesn't feel like a normal sticker where it's slippery. Hopefully you can see that. That's pretty cool. It really does just look like a calculator, doesn't it? CoinKite, another sticker. It looks very high quality from what I can see. This is probably the first item that I've ordered from like Canada. I don't obviously ever order from Canada. I don't know why would I, right? But yeah, I'll be opening this and showing you everything here. There's quite a few bits. Okay, so before I open this up fully, I just want to show you the actual product. I'm just going to put these away quickly so they're not in the frame. Let's put them to the side. So this is a serial number that you need to verify with the actual product. When you switch it on, you'll see that in my setup and stuff. It will have this number to make sure that this item wasn't switched, wasn't tampered with, and it is the correct item that they're sending to you. Okay, obviously don't trust or verify. It's just the packaging is very nice. I didn't, you know, you look at other unboxings and stuff, like you guys probably watching other unboxings videos, but look at the detail here. I've not noticed any of this when I was watching other unboxing, but it's got like hexadecimals and stuff like this, little. It looks like SHA-256 data. I may be wrong, but yeah. Anyways, the barcode. Let's tear this apart now and let's actually get on with the unboxing. It's a very nice packaging. I like the detail that they went into. Can I just tear this? No, I can't. Water, water, water. I don't know why it says that there. If you can read that there, it says like water, water, water. I don't know why that is. I'm not. Okay, I can't do that there. So let's get the knife and do a nice slit here. That was a nice slit. Okay. Cool. I don't need that part. That part, I would laugh. I could have opened it like that. No, I can't. Okay, it's just basically water sealed. That's what it looks like to me. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Why does that have the same information? I guess, okay, so that has the same information. Why? Because it's showing you whatever was in the whatever was in the package is the same. So 1142326748895. That's correct, and it will also be on the Coldcard itself. What's this? Okay, it's just a little thing. Just I guess just an extra little security feature. I will keep that there. I've already verified that that's correct, so I'll leave that to the side for now. Okay, the Coldcard. What we've come here to see. Can you see that there's already a bit of dust here and stuff? That's very interesting. There's an LCD monitor or screen. It's got quite a bit of dust there. It's not like it's got, oh my god, my fingerprints ruined it even more. Let's see if I got a bit of a, sorry, I had to grab some microfiber cloth because I've got a lot of stuff around me, lol. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, anyways, it's just a screen. Let's put it that way. But anyways, it's very light in my opinion. I'm going to go over this actual hardware wallet and show you some of the things just so you physically know what the buttons and stuff are. But, and then obviously I'm going to set it up in my setup video. But yeah, anyways, this, can you see the gold flakes? What do you guys think of the design? It looks nice. I'm just thinking, I would have probably preferred if Coldcard everything are doing this, doing it in full black, right? And then the gold flakes. The gold flakes would show so much more. This looks like the clear case. There's a bit of a yellow goldish tint, if you can see there, and then little gold flakes in the design. That's interesting. Is it the prettiest? Probably not. The black one would probably be the prettiest with these gold flakes. I didn't see any other ones which I actually liked or anything. The colors, probably the clear one or the black one, or this is probably the best one in my opinion. The orange one, if you want to look like a Bitcoin or whatever, lol. But anyways, this is the Coldcard Q. They've got a Mark IV as well. Let me go over everything on this. So that's the switch on button. Cancel. It's a full QWERTY keyboard here, right? This is an NFC button, so you can use NFC on this. QR and yeah, that obviously goes to the next side. Right, shift, and that's a flash for the light. This is symbol button. They've also got two micro SD card slots, so you can like sign transactions like that or update the firmware. I did also want to mention the fact that this doesn't come with 3 AAA batteries nor the SD cards. So yeah, that's another purchase that you're going to need to do. Obviously, I've prepared some which I am going to be using on this. But yeah, do just pre-order that as well when you buy this, just in case you're like, oh, you're so excited to use it and they don't have the batteries and stuff to get it working. Obviously, you can use a USB-C slot, but the SD cards, yeah, you need that. You can power this on via USB through like a power bank itself, or you can also use 3 AAA batteries. I'm going to be trying both in my setup just to see how it goes. Just so you know, here, this is the QR scanner. It's a proper QR scanner, not like a camera and thing. It's like infrared and stuff, so you have to scan it like you're working at Tesco's and scanning like items, or like, I don't know if any of you guys have ever worked in retail, but they've got like stuff like that, lol. But yeah, so anyways, that's basically pretty much the outer side of it. You can see all the intricacies. It's actually it's a nice piece of work. The buttons feel okay. Don't know if you can hear that, but it's hopefully you can hear that. But it's very smooth actually. It's not too tough or anything. It feels nice to press. Like, I'm just thinking, Jutanala mid. Yeah, it's like it looks like a BlackBerry in my opinion. Anyways, we'll go over the actual features of this now, and I'll show you some nice close-ups. In addition, when I do the setup and stuff, we'll go through all of it, create a BIP39 seed phrase, and like go through the actual software itself. As you all know, I put everything out there just so you can see what's coming, the actual box, and yeah. So the Coldcard Q, it's got a long-lasting battery. Well, to be fair, it's a USB based, so you can just put in the USB cable there. It doesn't come with the cable, however, you can put 3 AAA batteries. This is the ideal way to keep it if you're going to keep it stored for a long period of time. Obviously, keep the batteries out. There's a QR scanner, so it's QR capable. It's got a full QWERTY keyboard, and it's NFC capable as well, so it's fully air gapped. Okay, it's ultra secure, as you can obviously already tell. The screen is an LCD screen by 320 x 240, which basically is 3.2 inch diagonal size. It's got many security features, one of which there's 2 SD card slots, so you can do updates like that. Security features include the fact that there's a dual security element for this, so they actually demonstrate what dual security elements they actually use, which is awesome. Not every company does that. It's got a genuine and caution light, so this resists evil maid attacks. So if somebody did have physical access to your Coldcard, basically the firmware signs it from the factory, and during boot up, the firmware signature basically says, is this the actual firmware or not? And if it isn't, it'll be like a red light, which is awesome if in case there was any sort of tampering. There's anti-phishing words as well. If you look here on this backup card, it says anti-phishing code words, right? This is where you would set up to 6 digits each, so it can be up to 12, and after you type in the first time, it'll say 2 specific words, which is specific to this device, right? So you need to memorize that, and then you put in the next set of words. You would only put that in if the 2 sets of words were correct. What does that mean? It means if this was ever tampered with, or if somebody replaced it, you would know, hold on, this isn't mine, it doesn't have the same correct words. Obviously, if the first time you did it, if it was wrong, it's most likely because you typed in the wrong pin. But if you didn't and you type in again and it's not showing, then obviously it's been tampered with, right? One thing to note, right, there is no factory reset for this Coldcard. So if you did ever forget your pin and stuff, that's it, it's done, that's it, game over. You need to purchase a new Coldcard. So they have other security features, like you can set a pin where it completely destructs this whole cold card. Obviously, you can try multiple times as well. Set these up where if you do that, that's it. It's game over. Nobody could use the cold card anymore. That's just another security feature in case you did want that. Obviously, because your private keys and stuff is stored here, that would obviously make the private key non-obtainable by anybody, even though the security element, that's the primary function of it. If you don't know what security element is, do watch my video regarding that. They've got a dice roll entropy if you did want to use that to try and get a BIP39 seed phrase. And regarding the pin itself, they've got so many security features. One which is duress pin. So basically, as I mentioned, there's basically it'll self-destruct. They've got a countdown to a brick to brick the thing. So whenever you put in a wrong pin, it forces a time delay, so you can do like days, hours, minutes, or even whatever, a month or whatever you want to put it as. By the way, one quick neat thing I did want to show you is, so the MicroSD cards, right, they slot in here. So if you can see that there, they slot in. So I'll put both in just to show you how it looks. It stays out, as you can see there. That's both of them. These are the Amazon ones. So yeah, it sticks out. So yeah, if you had these, you don't really want to carry it like sticking out like that. What you can actually do is, there's a neat little feature here that if you didn't know, if you just take that out, you can actually pack it in here. It's a little slot there for your micro SD cards to fit in. So if you see that there, it's just a snug fit, and then you can just close this down with your battery. It's a little nice thing to keep there. They obviously also allow the BIP39 25th word as well, which is awesome. As I suggest everybody use that, and if you don't know what that is, please do watch my passphrase video on that. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video regarding this cold card. If you did, make sure you do subscribe for more content, lol. And do comment down below if you have one, what you think of it. How long have you been using it? Is it great? What are you actually using it for? Obviously, don't give too much security details away, lol. But yeah, anyways, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.